is Skylar, and we're back. So if he's not king yet, so you just call him Mr. Quackles. If he's king, then you call him Mr. King Quackles. That's the best name for Mr. Quackles when he's king. And he actually likes that name. It suits him. And I'm dead. Mr. Quackles! No, Mr. Quackles! Come on, Mr. Quackles, you can do this. You trained your whole life for building water. And now's your chance, Mr. Quackles. Mr. Quackles, you gotta destroy Green. He's Frosty the Snowman. And you're gonna turn him into water! Yeah! Mr. Quackles, you are the best. Let's get black out the way. Mr. Quackles. You will soon be Mr. King Quackles. No, Mr. Quackles!